Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Warzone on PlayStation 4 using a keyboard and mouse. First, connect your USB keyboard and mouse directly into the PlayStation 4's available USB ports. There are typically 3 USB ports on the front of the console. Next, ensure your PlayStation 4 system software is updated to the latest version. Finally, navigate to the PlayStation 4 settings to confirm both devices are recognized by the system. Once your devices are connected, launch Call of Duty Warzone. From the main menu, navigate to the options and find the keyboard and mouse settings. Here, you can customize every keybind to suit your playstyle, assigning actions like jumping or reloading. Also, adjust your mouse sensitivity and acceleration to achieve precise aiming. Take your time to fine-tune these settings for a comfortable and competitive experience. To truly optimize your performance, experiment with your mouse's dots per inch or DPI settings. A lower DPI often allows for more precise aiming, especially for long-range engagements. Dedicate time to practicing your movement and aiming in the game's training modes, like the firing range. Many players find a dedicated gaming keyboard and mouse offer superior responsiveness and additional programmable buttons, giving you an edge. It's important to remember that, while Warzone supports keyboard and mouse, not every PlayStation 4 game does. For the best experience, a wired connection for both your keyboard and mouse is recommended, as it typically provides minimal input lag compared to wireless options. Finally, transitioning from a controller to keyboard and mouse will take time and consistent practice. Be patient with yourself as you adapt to this new control scheme.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.